Chevy's electric truck just got a major off-road boost. This new off-road focused Silverado EV Trail Boss starts at $72,095, offering up to 478 miles of range. Chevrolet introduced the 2026 Silverado EV Trail Boss off-road trim. The new model gains a 2-inch lift, updated suspension, and terrain mode. Super Cruise now integrates with Google Maps for enhanced navigation. It's that time of year again when model changes are rolling in, and the 2026 Silverado EV is adding a new off-road focused trim called Trail Boss. As the name implies, it's built to handle trails like a boss. To accomplish that, it leverages a lift kit, an updated hydraulic rebound control system, and a new terrain mode. Interested parties will need to be ready to part with over $72,000 to put one in their garage. Trail Boss has been one of the highest turning trims in our portfolio since we first launched it on the 2019 Silverado, said Scott Bell, Vice President, Chevrolet. Adding Trail Boss to Silverado EV gives customers an option that builds on our strong truck pedigree, high electric range, and off-road capability. We're happy to report that this isn't just an appearance package. Every Trail Boss comes standard with a 2-inch lift kit, which Chevy boasts is a 24% increase in ground clearance over the standard Silverado EV. On top of that, the automaker retuned the coil suspension and rebound control system. A new trim-exclusive terrain mode acts almost like a low-speed off-road focused cruise control for navigating uneven surfaces. It also gets sharper 4-wheel steering for better response off-road. Chevrolet leverages a high-angle approach front fascia on the Trail Boss along with 35-inch all-terrain tires, unique 18-inch wheels, red tow hooks, and exterior badging to make the trim stand out. The cabin also gets its own unique touches. Perhaps most impressive is that this new version of the Silverado EV doesn't sacrifice much in the way of range. The Silverado EV Trail Boss delivers similar capability expected with other Chevy Trail Bosses, said Joe Roy, chief engineer for Silverado EV. It's an impressive truck that will meet the needs of our customers looking to get off trail and still have all the features customers have come to love about Silverado EV, including range and off-road power. Available with Chevy's extended or max battery pack, buyers will get 410 or 478 miles of EPA estimated range. Pricing starts at $72,095. But those who want the Max Pack will pay $88,695. That's right beneath the RST trim that starts at $89,395. Those prices include destination and delivery. There are benefits to each pack worthy of mention. Those who select the extended pack get up to 12,500 lb-ft of towing capacity and 2,100 pounds worth of payload capacity. On the flip side, those with the Max Pack can enjoy up to 725 horsepower, 540 kilowatts, and 775 lb-ft, 1,049 Newton-meters, of torque. Expect it to go on sale later this summer, with additional details about options and pricing coming then too. In other news related to the 2026 Silverado EV, Chevy is sunsetting the RST trim, leaving only the work truck, LT, and Trail Boss in the lineup. In addition, the Silverado EV is getting a more advanced version of Super Cruise, now integrated with Google Maps. The updated system includes hands-on functionality that helps keep the vehicle centered in its lane and adjusts to the car ahead. Also, when you engage Super Cruise on compatible roads, a green light on the steering wheel indicates hands-free driving is activated.